The problem is, power tools are dangerous. In fact, over 40,000 people are seriously injured every year from circular saws alone. But this one thing can greatly reduce your risk of serious injury. It's called the Jawhorse from Rockwell. This portable workstation can securely hold thousands of different kinds of workpieces. It has the clamping force of 2,200 pounds. It can hold the weight of 600 pounds. Now you can keep your hands out of harm's way, focus on the cut, get better cuts, and keep your fingers. You ever know anybody who was missing their fingers? My shop teacher in high school was missing a finger. I was also injured in high school and had to go to the hospital in shop class. If I would have had this, I wouldn't have been injured. I was injured with a chisel. And I cut myself really, really bad, almost passed out. Watch this, check this out. Look how stable this thing is. This thing is built solid. That's just a 4x4 in the jaws of the Jawhorse, holding me up. Fast setup holds irregular shapes really well. How else am I going to hold this? Fast. That's a key. This thing's, it's fast to hold it and it's fast to release it. Many uses, endless possibilities. Every day I go, hey, I'll put it in the Jawhorse. And I do. You can fold the Jawhorse up and put it away, but I use it about every day. So I just keep it out. I've also left it out, it got rained on. It has a heavy coating. Some things you just need two hands for. You know, wood dust will mess you up. Until now, I haven't had a way to set my ego blower up, turn it on, and it keeps still and blow where I want it to blow. But now, the Jawhorse is doing that for me. Have you ever chased a carving across your workbench? I have. I once carved a face for a Ming Dynasty table. I could have used this then. The face on the Ming Dynasty table fell off. I've been a cabinet maker, carpenter, furniture maker for over 30 years. I used a lot of tools. I give the Jawhorse from Rockwell 5 out of 5 stars. I bought it for safety. I bought it to save my hands and my fingers and keep them out of harm's way. And it's working. Now that I use it every day, almost every day, I recommend you do the same. Like and subscribe for more reviews. I'll leave affiliate links in the description.